Welcome to class. How are you? Good. Today we learn difference between birds and animals. Good. Which is the animal? Good. Horse. Horse क्या है? Horse क्या है हमारे पास? Animal. Good. Next. Which is the birds?
परिंदा,
इसमें birds क्या है?
परिंदा,
Good. Birds क्या है?
स्पैरो,
Sparrow. Next. Who has fur? Animals or birds? Fur. Animal. ठीक है? Next. Who has two legs? Animals or birds? Birds. Two legs किसकी हैं? Birds की. Good. Who has feathers? Animals or birds? Birds. feather किसके होते हैं? पर किसके होते हैं? परिंदों के. ठीक है? Who has a beak? Animal or bird? Who has a beak? Animals or birds? Birds. Good. Good. आपको समझ आई सबको?